Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting DIY video where we are going to show you how to make some unique and lovely crafts. Are you excited for the same? Now here you have to get these sheets, arrange them in this manner as we are showing in here in the video. You have to attach them in this way further, get them beautifully curved, and this is gonna look damn pretty. Isn't it cool? Now proceeding further in the video, let's dive into the world of papers and crafts. Now here get a sheet and you have to just make this pattern and then get them done in this way, base the wings and you can just play with it. Now here what are we gonna do, get the sheet, get them folded in this way and then make a turtle out of it, and you have to just secure it beautifully, paste the sheets all over the top. Now here you have to just get the sheets pasted in a semicircular pattern and you have to just arrange it over a circular disc like this, and these flowers are gonna look damn pretty. Now proceeding here, what are we up to? You have to get these flowers like this and then attach the stem further over it, and then you have to just get the leaves like this and then arrange it in this manner. Keep on proceeding. Now what are we going to do next? You have to just get the sheet, roll them up in this manner and then get them beautifully attached in this way. You have to secure it and then just get it all over the carrot, and this is gonna look pretty. Isn't it cool? Now here what are we up to? You have to get the beetle like this and then make this ladybug and then attach the string further. You can just have it, just play with it round and round. Cool, right? Now let's see what are we going to do next. Here you have to just attach the sheet further in this manner, get the eyes made, arrange it further like this, and this is gonna look damn pretty. Let's see what are we gonna do next. Here you have to just arrange this balloon and then paste the sheets like this and then get the antennas all over and then the wings around. Cool, right? Now here again get a sheet of paper, get them folded in this manner. You have to just get it beautifully secured and then get them attached one over the other as we are showing here. Further you need to make this stick and then paste it all over, open it, and you will end up getting a beautiful pattern. Cool, right? Now here again get the sheet, fold it from the middle and then you need to just attach it in this way, get them attached all over it in this manner, get the eyes made, and these bookmarks are quite pretty. Keep on proceeding. Now here get some cute bunny rabbits made. You have to just get it blush in draped in a color of pink and then you need to make the blushes all over. This is gonna look adorable. Now here again you have to get the sheets cuts like this, then just fold it together, then hang it all over it. What you have to do, you have to just get the flowers cut in this manner and then paste it all over it in this way as we are showing, and then you have to just get the handle attached. This is gonna look pretty. Now get some circles cut in this manner. You have to just get it beautifully colored like this and then get them out. Then over a thin plastic sheet you need to just put it all over and then blow them up. Cool, right?